it's live. I have a huge support level and it's rejecting. You mean this level right here? Yeah, daily looks bullish. Daily looks like it's stuck in this range. To be honest. Alright, so let's do some analysis. So we got dollar pushing back, same as this morning analysis. So dollar came back in the same range right here, back in the same range, and looks like it wants to basically form some kind of support here and go up. Probably break tomorrow. Probably. EU giving a nice rejection from the lows. He tapped that low, our objective 1.10264. Now I just want to see 4-hour realigning bullish, maybe ahead of tomorrow CPI, to see the push back up. If that's gonna give us confirmation, that's gonna be the trade. But you know, G also dropping quite heavily, 4-hour rejecting those highs, so it's still bearish technically. And I don't know, I kinda want to short gold. I kinda want to short gold here, but I don't like trading gold. I mean, we took that 1 hour win on Friday, so I don't know if I should take another trade on gold. It's basically the same levels. Let's see. Hi guys. So we are live on YouTube as well. First time, yes. We got 46 viewers. New York except Asia low. Yeah, that was perfect. That was the perfect drop down. What do you think for tomorrow's CPI? I don't have a clear bias yet. We could see another push up on dollar. Looking at the daily time frame, because daily we had price realigning bullish on the daily time frame. We had a retest towards the lows, bullish close, and another bullish close. And today we might just get stuck above this level. So I think CPI tomorrow should push dollar up towards 102.4, 102.6 levels. So that could mean more downside on EU. That could mean EU, especially after daily. Like, look at how daily looks like, right? We had the break of structure down, retested the 0.7 level, perfect, towards the lows. This has more room to go down, and if this wants to continue going down, well, basically first target would be this area right here, which is the 1.10, which is not a big target. It's like 30 pips away, 40 pips away, or even just fill the whole area. So another 50, 60. EU sell. Yeah, I don't think EU is gonna continue selling, but I don't want to take a sell here. Maybe we'll see something like price coming to this 4-hour area right here and then continuing to go down from there. That could happen. Yeah, this is live. What do you focus on? What do you mean? Are you going to trade 9:30 New York? No, I'm not really looking at taking any trades. We go live on YouTube. No, this is the first time. We'll probably go live like two times. I will go live. We had like 3 weekly live calls in the Discord group. We're gonna have daily live calls from next week, so Monday to Friday, and I'll probably stream 2 of them on YouTube. So those in the Discord call, our students, don't get confused. I'm reading the YouTube chat as well. We'll stream 1 or 2 calls a week on YouTube with a little delay. So let's see what happens. Let's see what gold wants to do. What do you think about GU? I guess GU is still bearish, like daily time frame, nice bearish close, daily pushing down, break of structure, wicking higher to the broken area. This should start heading down more. So 4 hour also looks pretty bearish. We had a high, we had a low, high, low. We rejected the highs, and based on the 4 hour structure, this should continue down to at least 1.304. So another 25 pips. So that's the reason why I was looking at gold to sell, because you know GU coming down. So gold should follow. Let's see how we react from this area right here. GJ wasn't nice. GJ did continue selling, right? Yeah, pretty straightforward from that area. 0.7 retracement, nice drop. We can risk 0.5. Yeah, if you can go for it, I guess, if you want to. I wouldn't really touch gold before CPI. That's the only reason I don't want to take a trade. So let's break down the trade that we had on Friday, NFP, because that was interesting. So basically, you know, gold was stuck in this range. So we had a high and the low of the range here. Price came back right here before NFP. Dollar was looking quite bullish from this area. Was it here? Coming down towards the lows, rejecting them just before NFP. Right, so I was kind of expecting dollar to go up, so gold to go bearish. I don't usually trade gold, if you like. I don't really trade gold anymore. But 4 hours looking nice coming into that area. We had the all-time highs there. We had a lot of liquidity, and most importantly, we had this high here. And if we go down on the time frame of the 50-minute, what do we see here? We had the last make it replay then explain. That's what I'm doing. I'm just not done to doing the replay tool. So a reason that I kind of anticipated price to go down was the fact that we are close to those all-time highs, and I wasn't really seeing gold push that hard to the upside. So I was expecting some gold sales. We had the old Asia high here, which wasn't taken. And as you can see, you know, NFP spiked right into that. So I knew that if price was gonna spike up with NFP, it wasn't just gonna come for that liquidity and then reverse. So we entered, I think we entered around when price was pushing here, basically. Was it, when was the entry? Let me look. What time was the entry? So the entry was 225. 225. Just taken based on the 1 hour time frame. 225. So when price, wait, that doesn't make sense. Oh yeah, because it's wrong. So it was around this point. Right, price was going up here, called the entry, expecting price to either wick up and then go down. And we had the initial spike down. I didn't like the fact that just before NFP we took out Asia low, so there was a potential for a reversal. But yeah, we were in profit like 70-60 pips, decided to stay in the trade. Price wicked to that old Asia high perfectly and then start reversing. So people start panicking, price is going in drawdown after being profit. Just gotta have patience, wait for it to play out. New York coupon came in, pushed very close, range a little bit, dipped down like 5 pips away from take profit. That's where I closed, you know, my position, and then another retest into the imbalance and then continuation down. So that was a pretty good one-to-one. I didn't want to go for a higher take profit just because I wanted to have a safe stop loss. Just wanted to grab 1 hour during an NFP. You know, most people lose and blow their accounts during NFP. So us taking a 1-to-1 with no headache, just can't beat it, right? I'll read the chat in a bit, the YouTube chat. What made you not choose Euro USD? Well, I didn't choose Euro USD because price was, I don't know, just didn't give a nice risk to reward. I had that old Asia, you know what, I mean, it was the Frankfurt high. I had that high that created the low, so I kind of knew that, you know, price can come take it out. And I don't know, if I were to enter here, my stop loss would have been too big, you see? So there was no place. I had to cover that high, and the stop loss was just too big. Like gold made more sense. Gold was close to those highs, so it gave a nice, you know, 1-to-1. I couldn't enter here. I could only enter EU after, and maybe somewhere around here. But we already took profits on gold, so there was no reason to enter EU. Yeah, not good risk reward. Let's see the YouTube chat. Scabbers can manage live. I wonder how your trading style fits to YouTube live or stuff very less and straightforward, which you like the most. I'm not here to trade live. I'm here to analyze the markets and sometimes maybe have a trade. That's something new, yeah. Trying something new. Let's see how this goes. I don't trade futures yet, but I do want to get into futures. When I have more free time, maybe next week, I will start looking into futures. Because I do think they're pretty good to make profit. Hey. Was it also because the market was overextended? Yeah, overextended, yeah. Audio is fine, nice. Do you used to move? Yeah, I do move stop loss to break even, usually after a break of structure or after 1-to-1. Your mic is too low. Let me turn it up. Turn it up a little bit more. The DAX, I'm not trading DAX. If I become a student, are the videos recorded so I can see what I missed? Yeah, everything is recorded. Every live call is recorded. At what point you'll invalidate your bearish bias? My bearish bias will be invalidated on EU once we realign bullish on the 4 hour. So what that means is a 4 hour closure above this high here, above 1.10538. Once we get a 4 hour close above this level, then I'm switching bias to bullish, and then we have a pretty big range to go to on EU, and I don't think we're gonna have a big push once that happens. USD CAD. Let's see. We see Thursday dipped a little bit lower, but then came up. So this should continue higher. Same as EUGU to continue lower. USD CAD should drive a little bit higher into the area. I'd say about the 1.35,950 area, 1.36, somewhere around there. This is too loud. Alright, turn it down. See, he cannot satisfy everyone. Cannot satisfy everyone. Top step, you can have 5 accounts at once with 0 payout issues and no trading costs. I will look into top step, yeah. GU, same thing as EU, the stop loss was too big to make sense. Stop loss, like you enter before NFP, you had to have will have probably been stopped out here. Like you cannot have, my stop losses on AUG are usually 30 pips max. We'll have I don't know, stopped out, right? Can you check DAX 40? Alright, let's look at DAX 40. Vantage, I guess. 18400. Yeah, I think it looks good for a sell. Daily should continue after yesterday. But I would suggest taking profits at the lows. So if you need to take profit level, I would say once this 4-hour low gets taken out, once that 4-hour low gets taken out, you could close profits. That guy probably got 7-Eleven earphones. It's funny. All right. So still buys a 50-50 on EEG until after CPI. Yeah, I just want to see if price continues bearish. I'm not gonna look for sells anymore. Maybe I'll look for sells on gold if this goes up again. But otherwise, I'll wait for price to realign bullish. Bro, you getting old, or is it the light glasses? I guess it's the light. I'm 25. I'm not that old, but I do need the glasses. Let's see better. Trade gold. I'm not trading gold now. What's after? I'm using Streamlabs. So it's the first stream. I would like some feedback on sound and everything, so I can fix stuff up for next live stream. So let me just tell me guys if anything is wrong. I will try to fix it. It's also because of the context where the market is relative to the 4-hour perspective. No, I'm not in the bathroom. This is the office. I don't have anything on the back because it's a new room. I don't know what to put behind me, but I'm not in the bathroom. Do you use VWAP? No, I don't use. Now it's too low the sound. I don't know, I think this sound is different. Let me do something here. Let me see if I can. No, I cannot. What I do? I don't know what I did because now nothing is showing up. Okay. Alright, so nice glasses, thank you. I hear you from one of my earphones. Alright, that will be fixed next time. I don't know how to fix it now. If anyone knows how to fix it. Maybe make it mono. Is it better now? Is it better now? Maybe it is. I don't know. Mine never sleeps, man. Put it there. I threw it away. That was too basic. I threw it away. But this is a different office because I just moved. Yeah, YouTube and Discord have different quality. I think Discord quality is better. So I need to do the settings on the Streamlabs for the stream to be louder. And fix the sound. I don't know how to fix it. No, I did not move to Dubai. Lol Fortuna. To join us, yeah, if you want better sound, just join NFX. You'll get into Discord. Why aren't you doing your analysis of future charts? Because I don't trade futures for now. There should be a setting to amplify the sound just in YouTube. Let me search it up. Streamlabs. Amplify sound. Filters, alright. Add filter gain. Let's put 10 gain. Is it better now? YouTube guys, is the sound better now? Andrew, do you look for the 4-hour candle to close like that best? Yes, I do look for 4-hour closes always. It's nice that we have 174 people. It is my first stream. Can wait to improve it. It's better. Perfect. Nice. See? Once people help you, it's pretty easy to do stuff. It's pretty easy. If I will take a sell on gold now, where do you think your stop loss? I think my stop loss would be above NFP's week here. So about 100 pips. About 100 pips. But I'm not taking sell today. Oh shit. I'll be looking for CPI tomorrow. You guys know I don't like trading on Tuesdays or Mondays. My trades and how I maintain such a high win rate is by only trading Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Euro AUD, alright, I don't trade Euro AUD, but fine. Euro AUD, damn. Why do you guys trade these pairs? I never understood. So weekly big wick to the upside, nice break of structure to the downside on the daily time frame, nice retest happening. I would say, I mean 4 hour doesn't look that good. I think what would happen is another spike higher and then a big sell happening. That's what I think will happen on Euro AUD. Because we had an impulse up, we have a correction. Usually after a correction like this, we have another high being put in, and then we have the drop down. EMA, I used to use the 200 EMA just for the daily bias. Have you got banned from props after opening your own? Actually, I did. I got banned from 3 prop firms a few weeks after opening Fortune. I will make a YouTube video on that because it's quite funny. There was this prop firm that I was trading for like a month. I had the accounts. I got out like 60, 70K, and then immediately they sent me a letter. And they just banned me. Press the like button. Press the like button. How Fortuna prop is different than others? Well, my aim was to make a prop firm that's very transparent when it comes to rules. Because, you know, I've traded with all the prop firms. I got banned for the most stupid reasons ever. So my idea was, let's create this prop firm where every rule is like, there's no hidden rules, right? Let's create a prop firm where all the rules are right there for you. You read them, and if you know, if they're okay for you, you can trade with us. If not, then you're free to go anywhere else. I think that's better than buying an account, trading for a week or two, wasting your time, wasting good setups, and then you find out you broke some rule and then you get banned, right? And profitable with the Euro UD, then that's nice. Yeah, it moves a lot. We are here with you, sir. Thank you, sir. I don't trade trending of range or name strategy. Thank you. BTC, yeah, we'll take a look at BTC. What do you trade? I trade Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold. You can name top 5 prop firms. Fortuna Traders, #1 very soon. Joking. There are some good prop firms. Stick to the top ones. Break down your strategy. My strategy is very simple. I just use the higher time frames, the lower time frames, and timing, and good risk management. Very good risk management and a lot of patience. And I think the people in the Discord group, the Discord chat right now, can, you know, say something about that, because we have a lot of patience. We only take a few trades. We have 3 wins in a row. Last month we did 3%, 3R. This week we started with 1R. We'll probably have another 1 or 2 trades, end up again 3-4%. We have a lot of patience. Funded picks, I mean, they still owe me around 20K, $20,000, and 2 300K accounts. So what can I say, right? I'll be right back. All right. Next, shutting down prop firm. I don't know what prop firm is gonna shut down. I don't want to say anything bad anymore, because I've gotten a lot of threats and stuff. How would you approach new funding companies risk-wise? I'd say risk between 2 and 3% in a challenge phase, and then phase 1, phase 2 risk like 1.5, 2%. Funded 1% max. It's pretty straightforward. When the new update on course, it's probably gonna come at the end of the month. I'm still writing the videos that I want to record. I'll get to recording maybe next week. It's gonna take me like a week or two, and then it's gonna be updated. Should be more centered, somewhere around here. All right. The zone goal is the last bullish candle on a 50-minute. Yes. This area should get respected. Sendex, I don't know, maybe. Can you make one-step program? I don't believe one-step programs are good for traders. I don't think they're good for traders. They have the highest failure rate, the one-step. I mean, gold looks interesting here. But should I break my rules of trading on a Tuesday? I don't know. Probably stay away. No point. Your hair just awesome. What do you apply on it? Thank you. I just had a haircut. My hair was a bit long, but now I cut it more short because it was getting very annoying and very hard to keep. I just use like, basic stuff. Something in the hair, and that's it. Any setup for today, USD? I was looking at a gold sell setup in this area, but let's see if we get some confirmation. I would suggest waiting for confirmation. Usual risk per trade, like I said, 2-3% phase 1, 2% phase 2, and then 1% max on the funded. How many setups your strategy give you per week? Well, we can have 5 setups a week, but I only take 1. I don't like taking all of them. I prefer sticking to higher time frames. But if you learn to trade the way I teach, like understanding the market, you're gonna have a lot of opportunities. Intraday scalps, everything you want. There's gonna be a lot of opportunities, but that doesn't mean you need to take every opportunity. What platforms are you using? I'm using CTrader. Not a good idea. Yeah, gold is dodgy, it's up and down. See? You see the students that I teach? They're telling me to have patience. They're telling me to have patience and not trade. That's what I love teaching. Which platforms are you funded with now? Only a few left, to be honest. I'm not really trading a lot of platforms now because all of them banned me. Especially now since I launched Fortuna Traders. I only have a few accounts that I'm trading with. And a personal account. I started trading the personal account more. But I want to get into the futures forums. Yeah. Romania or Dubai. I like both. Romania is chill. Like, if you make money trading, you make money online, you can live a very good life, very good quality of everything. Dubai is very expensive, but you get to meet a lot of people. But most of them are fake, so I like both. Having a prop, you can say it's hard. Prop copy traders make money from that, or is it hard for them? It's not about that. It's all about the risk that the traders have. If you find a good trader, you can copy its trades. You can copy the trade and you can make more money. But you need to find good traders. And unfortunately, there aren't that many good traders. Consistent. When I say good traders, I mean consistent traders. And most of those guys you see on Twitter, Instagram, they don't know how to trade. They blow accounts. They blow a lot of accounts. It's crazy. How many times a week? So we'll do live calls in the Discord group once a day. So Monday to Friday, and I'll probably stream like 2 of them on YouTube. So maybe Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. No, I said people are fake in Dubai. Dubai. There's a lot of people in Dubai who fake it. Alpha Capital, I love Alpha Capital. They paid me a lot. They are a very good platform. Yes, 200k is max allocation on Fortuna. I don't think Alpha Capital became a bit shady. Why do you say that? What happened? Do you pretty much enter now using 1 hour? Yes. Yes, I do still have the... So, the Romanian mentorship, the 1490, gives you access to the Romanian mentorship, which is like 80 videos, and access to the English one as well. So that's nice, right? You get two things in one. I don't like speaking about other people. It's just not me. Everyone, you know, I let everyone do their own things. If you wanna fake it, fake it. If you wanna be cringe online, be cringe online. Say you make that. Take pictures of your only Rolex or whatever watch you have, of your only car. Hundreds of pictures of it every day. Just do your thing, but I don't care. I was looking at a short on pound. Yeah, the thing is about a short, it's not valid anymore. If it comes back up, I wouldn't sell it. Sendex is dodgy as fuck. Drug lord run that thing. I know they banned me. They banned me because my risk on a position. So here's my story with Sendex, right? I had two 200k accounts. I had a 28k payout coming in, and they rejected both my payouts and banned my accounts because on one account I had, so I never went into drawdown on that account, but one trade had my stop loss at exactly 3% risk. So my stop loss, right? My stop loss was placed at 3%. So 6k risk, that was 20 lots on 30 pip stop losses. But price never went into drawdown. Like price went directly to take profit. But they said that I broke the 3% max risk rule because my stop loss was placed at exactly 3%. And 3% plus the commissions, which are like $60. I breached the rule and they voided my 16k payout on that account, and the other account was the same thing. So yeah, be careful what and how you say about others. It says more about, yeah, I let everyone do their things, but just know that most of them are brokies. That's the only thing I say. They never made money trading. They make some money here and there. Maybe they make like 10, 15, 20k a month from their courses, affiliation. I know big guys in the industry who've been paid a lot of money just affiliation for platforms and brokers. So, but you'll never see them very successful. There's things, you know, if you actually make money and you actually make a lot of money, you don't need to brag about it. I could brag about, you know, the house I am in right now, which I bought cash, you know, or the cars that I have and everything. I don't care about that. And everything is bought cash. So, you know, you see people renting and stuff. It's very cringe, like stop flexing, you know. Alright. Who are your role models when it comes to trading? I don't have a role model. I do my thing. Fortuna site doesn't load proper on PC. Just open a ticket in the Fortuna Traders Discord and let us know. We'll fix it. On the arrears, the banned trader. Thank you. What do you think about FundingNext? FundingNext is one of the companies that I'm funded with currently. They always paid me out, but they did reduce my leverage to 1 to 5. So my leverage is 1 to 5. On a 200k account, I can only do 8 lots on EU and GU. So it's crazy. Sorry guys, get a lot of calls today. I don't know what's happening. Gold breaking down. Yeah, let's see if 50 minute can close below this low. Wanna see if 50 minute can close below this low. NAS. I don't trade NAS. That's the thing. We don't trade those. Had any mentors? No, not really. Do you think traders buy pink Bugatti from trading? No. 100% no. And it's leased. All the American guys, they lease. Oh, damn. There's so many messages in the YouTube chat. Your mental is good. What do you think will win the American election? I'd say Trump will win. Strongly believe that Trump will win. Were you looking at this in gold? Yeah, that's what I'm looking at gold. Exactly that setup. What do you mostly trade? I trade Euro USD, GBP USD and gold. Only 3 pairs that I've traded in the last 5-6 years, and 3 pairs that made me a lot of money, like 7 figures. Talk a little about how do you draw cash from your firm in Romania, like about processing. I mean, just get a accountant for that. There's no secret. You pay tax or you don't. Taxes is basic in every country. There's nothing really to say there. There's no secret. Oh, I'm reading Discord because that's more important, and then I'm reading the YouTube chat. So sorry. There's 10 times more messages in the YouTube chat. Yes, I am Romanian. All of them are brokies. Is your risk that crazy or why banned? I was banned because I was making consistent withdrawals. That's the only reason. I wasn't banned for crazy risk. Only a few prop firms banned me for, risking too much. You can just fly to Dubai. Yeah, you can fly to Dubai. Buy watches there with crypto. Come back to any country you want, sell them for cash or money. And that's it. Or, become a resident in Dubai. Can do a lot of stuff. What are your thoughts in Donvo situation? That's so funny. Like, I don't know why people would trust. Like, I watched one live stream of his, like not the entire thing. I watched like 10 minutes. And I saw he entered the trade and I was like, alright, let's see how he trades. Like literally gold price was going up. So imagine what he will do is enter a buy here. And have his stop loss like here. And his take profit at like 15 pips. Why would you have a fucking 150 pip stop loss for like 10 pips of profit? And why would people invest into that? It's actually crazy. Like what would you expect? Are you planning to start your own hedge fund? Yeah, I am planning to. I get older, I get more experience, I will become way better at managing money, and then I can do that very successfully. Cash is king, true. Percentage return last year is hard to say, but I made a lot of money last year. Alex, my name is not Alex. I'm waiting for 1 week now for them to give me fund account after pass it, so Are you talking about Rocket 21? Fortuna website is too busy, try making it a bit more clean. Actually, we are redesigning the website, so we're gonna have a new landing page, a new main page coming in a few days. I know it's a little bit too busy, so we're trying to make it more clean, more easy. No, I'm not doing any more events in Romania. A 1 RR is pretty good. If you have a solid system that can bring you 3 R a month, that's what I do now. I make 2-3% a month. 2-3% on 1 million in fund accounts, that's 20-30k. Minus the profit split, you get like 25k. You scale up your capital, or you risk 2% on a 1-to-1, you make more money. It's not that hard, guys. What is the IP rule? Unfortunately, you just need to have a consistent IP rule and device. Like if your account is being traded from 6 locations on 6 different phones, that's fishy. Can we expect long run after USD hit the order block? LXG is real, he's doing 100 to 1 million. Come on. I can do 100 to 1 million on my broker. It's pretty easy. So you see guys, looking at the charts now, GU is heading towards the lows. So there was no reason for buys. EU is also heading for the lows again. So it has more room to go down. Just curious to see, you know, gold is going to close pretty bearish. That would have been a good entry. Probably now I'm not gonna look at taking it because we are approaching this level of, you know, where price can reject from. So I'll be waiting for tomorrow's CPI. Do you plan to exit trading like in 5 years? I don't think so. Yeah, those 2 weeks are pretty good for the flip zone if you want to take the risk. I will not trade on a Wednesday, on a Tuesday. Okay, let's see NZD USD. Looks good to go down, yeah. It does look good to go down. 4 hour rejection, so same thing as GU EU. Had a high, low, rejected the highs. This should continue towards the lows. Yeah, should. I don't trust trading days before news. So because we have CPI tomorrow, don't trust it. What indicator you use for the kill one you have on the chart, which is the sessions? This is a custom script that I created. The sessions high and lows. This is a custom script. You can get it if you're a student, basically. We have the script there. Trader Mike, I don't know Trader Mike. Did you ever get paid from day funding? No, I did not. Fuck them. I didn't even, I mean, for $250 for the 400k account, what would you expect? But they made a lot of money. Yeah, they gone. What broker do you use? I use IC Markets, but here's the thing that happened to me 2 weeks ago on IC Markets. I have, you know, on IC Markets you need to put your bank details, you need to show proof, etc., verify them. So I had this bank account where I was withdrawing. I withdrew to that bank account like 20 times, no issue. And 2 weeks ago I did a bigger withdrawal from my personal account and, you know, accepted it, whatever, it went through. And then, no, that was almost a month ago actually. So 2 weeks later I checked my bank and it's like the money's not there. I'm like, what happened? So I contact my bank and they say, oh, we haven't received any money from IC Markets. Then I go to IC Markets, and if you ever worked with banks and brokers and whatever, it takes like 3 days to get a reply. So then I leave an email to IC Markets like, hey, the money never hit my bank account. Can you give me the confirmation from your bank that it was sent to my bank? 2 or 3 days go by, they send a confirmation, I send a confirmation to the bank, 2 or 3 days go by, the bank goes back and says, oh yeah, we haven't received it, we'll investigate it further. 2 or 3 days later, bank says, alright, so the transaction was refused from our part and it was sent back to IC Markets. Now, if you know anything about transfers, if a transfer is cancelled, it takes so long to get back. So they send the money back to IC Markets, and I'm still waiting a month later to get that back on the IC Market account. So I'll probably look for a new broker soon, because I don't like that. Thank you, Sandy. Are you going for the broker-backed funded firms? I don't know if because I'm in a different situation now. I'm not a trader anymore. I'm also a platform owner. And obviously I made most of my money trading, and I still make a lot of, like, my main income source is trading. But I don't want to go for more platforms. I don't want to go ahead on that platform and buy a challenge under my name, pass it, and then they send me an emails like, oh, you can't trade with us because you have a platform. So it's a conflict of interest, right? So I didn't purchase any challenge in the last 3 months because of that reason, because I'm scared, right? I'm gonna pay some money and then I waste my time, I pass the account, I get to the payout, and then they're like, oh, you cannot trade with us because you have Fortune traders. Yes, I do know, Kimmel. Swift payments must done in 48 hours. Yeah, but 1 month later. Gave them a new bank account, so they said they're gonna send it over. Brokers opening up prop firms. Yeah, I think it's a good thing. They have the liquidity for it. It's amazing because we have 280 viewers on YouTube, and I haven't posted this anywhere. So I just went live and that's it. I didn't post on Instagram, I didn't post on Twitter, I didn't post anywhere. So it's pretty amazing to have 280 viewers. Thank you all. Next one I will post and see how many we get. I guess we'll get more. Oh shit, I forgot to record. Damn. Forgot to press record. Anyways. How long did it take for you to become profitable? It took me like 2 years, to be honest, to be fully profitable and make money. 250 pips stop loss and take profit. I mean, if your system backs it up, then sure. What's the average duration of your trades? I think the average duration is anywhere between 1 hour and 24 hours. Sorry, Andrew, it was NZD CAD. Alright, no problem. NZD CAD. So same thing. We look at the weekly rejecting the highs, weekly bearish close, looks like it's heading down. Daily break of structure to the downside, retesting that. Once you get a 4-hour bearish close, I think it's good to go towards the lows. Pretty easy. GU is dropping, EU just took out the lows. So here you go. Said that at the beginning of the week. EU 1.10250, 100% is gonna get taken out, and that's what happened. Same for GU. See gold. Do you think it's better to just take 1.5 hour profits over risking taking a 2 hour? Yeah, sure. Anything you can take out of the markets is pretty good. Do you still stick to the trading plan you have on your course? Yes, obviously. Market was very weird yesterday from beginning to end of. I don't really watch the markets on Mondays. I don't really watch the markets on Mondays. I don't know. Not even on Tuesdays. This is an exception. Ever thought about teaching a friend or family who lives in a different place in your city and tell them to buy chains when they remain? No, I'm not gonna do that. No, I'm not gonna do that because there's too much headache. Too much headache for nothing. Tell us about your platform and the rules, etc. Well, you can go to fortunatraders.com and check them out. It's pretty, no hidden rules, everything is upfront. 10% profit target, 5% profit target. Basic stuff. Discord, you can join the Discord by going over to, as you can see down on the screen, wap.com/NFX. And you can use code NFX for only the people on the live stream. Have to go. Take care, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you too. How much do you try? So phase 1 I risk 2-3%, phase 2 I risk 1-2%, funded only 1% or 0.5%. My average stop loss on EU and GU is maximum 30 pips. And gold is sometimes on 100 pips. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I have to close down the stream. Thank you everyone for joining. I have to go literally, so If you enjoy this, just leave a like, subscribe, whatever. I will do another one soon. So thank you guys.